Hey folks, welcome back to Autumn Woods Fishing and Outdoors. I'm out here today with my guide Richard Bennett. We're out here in the Broad River in Beaufort, South Carolina. We're going to try and get on a little bit of saltwater fish today and do a little bit something different. We're going to try and catch some spadefish and cobia and maybe whatever else bites, Richard says. So we'll see what we can do. Now, as you can see, we're tied onto the pilings here. There's other people fishing around us and everything. I think might be a good sign. So stay tuned and let's see if we can get something in the boat. Black sea bass.
Yep. How big they got to be?
They got to be 12 or 13.
Oh, he probably would qualify, huh?
Well, he's a nice one.
All right, fella.
Just about everything. You see where it's so that's a
I think
fish.
so. Yeah.
He's got teeth.
Yeah.
So I ain't going to stick my thumb in.
No.
Some people eat them, but I don't think I'm going to mess with it.
No, don't blame you.
So the fun part will be getting this big look out of my mouth. There it goes. He's about an ugly rascal. Alright.
Another one. Lord, look at all the spadefish going to the top of the water with that one. Man, Lord have mercy. Ooh, now that's a nice one there. How big is that one, I wonder?
Things like piranhas.
Yeah.
That one got to be about keeping size, I believe.
Almost, I believe, yep. With the measure him to see.
Yes, sir.
Alright, fella. Moving back. Yep. You got him a nice one.
Yeah, it's more than a spadefish, I think. That's something hit it like a hammer.
That's a spadefish too.
Oh, he was fighting.
Oh, he hit hard, didn't he?
Wow. Nice.
Oh yeah, it's a nice one. You got him?
Got it.
Man, that's amazing how all of them just surface to the top.
That crab right there, we use him for bait.
Way over there, I can't reach it.
He's a big good bait. Go get your big mama. Daddy.
Yep. Look at all of them. Look at all of them. Good. Lord, a bunch of them.
Keep on coming.
Yeah, man. Alright, so we had to show a jelly vault. What's been floating by us all day long. Plenty of them, but they floating, the fish is biting. Or at least the cobia is here. Alright, I'm gonna let him go.
I guess stuff eats.
Good.
Short, it ain't long enough.
Yeah, he's short. Alright, got another one. Ooh, look at him. Too bad there's a size limit on them.
We could have had a good fish fry if it wasn't.
Oh man, yeah.
Alright, little fella.
Could have had at least
little one there.
yeah, he's a little one.
There he is.
Yep. Black bass.
Black bass. Guess these do small too.
Yeah. Got to be 12 and a half, I think, for them.
Where's all the big fish? Black bass. Look at all those funnels.
A bunch of them.
Look at them.
A bunch of them swirling there. They worried about that one.
Isn't that the craziest thing?
That is. We got you on video, Chief.
That's a good one. But they ain't good one. So we need to learn how to catch some bigger spade fish. So if anybody out there's got any ideas, or put it in the comments below so we can find bigger ones that's at least 14 inches long. But they're still fun to catch. Got him.
Got him on. Oh, what is that? That's a croaker, ain't it?
Lord have mercy, we got something we can put in the cooler.
There you go.
Is that that's what they call a spot, ain't it?
I'm not sure. I thought them were croakers.
Or whatever it is.
Going in the cooler.
Alright folks, we had a pretty good day of fishing today out here on the Broad River. We caught a lot of spade fish. We caught some
Blackfish.
some other things, some
black bass.
some black sea bass.
Hooked a couple whiting, but didn't get them.
Hooked a couple whiting. We caught a couple toadfish, and I think I got one spot that it's big enough that there ain't no size limit on those. So fishing with shrimp, using brim hooks for the spade fish. We need to find out where we can catch some bigger ones. I don't know if they're closer to the ocean. So Bennett, how far are we from the ocean here? Probably is that the ocean there?
Yeah, it
where you
opens up
can't
that
see.
way.
So
That's the ocean way out there. It opens
I
up.
don't know. We're probably about 4 or 5 miles from the
Probably,
ocean.
yeah.
But anyway, we've been fishing around this structure all day, and I think we had a good day of it. So we're gonna pack it up and head on in. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends. God bless you, and we'll see you out here next time. Alright, we got a nice black sea bass here. But it's 3 inches too small. Everything you catch in the ocean's got a size limit on it.